Dear students and friends, I am Ponnala Krishnamurthy, Abhinav Tuition Center, New Boinpalli, Secunderabad. 10th class progressions. If the geometric progressions 162, 54, 18, and so on, and 2 by 81, 2 by 27, 2 by 9, and so on, have their nth terms equal, find the value of n. Reference is here. Solution given. First GP is 162, 54, 18, and so on. Here the first term A is equal to 162 and the common ratio R is equal to A2 by A1, that is equal to 54 by 162. Here 227s 54, 281s 162. Again 9 3s are 27, 9 9s are 81. And 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So R is equal to 1 by 3. An of GP is equal to A R power n minus 1 is the formula. Now in place of A we substitute 162 and in place of R 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1. So An of GP is equal to 162 into 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1. Second GP is 2 by 81, 2 by 27, 2 by 9, and so on. Here the first term A is 2 by 81 and the common ratio R is A2 by A1, that is equal to 2 by 27 by 2 by 81. A by B by C by D is equal to A by B into D by C. If we write into in place of this by, this C by D becomes reciprocal of C by D, that is D by C. Similarly, this is 2 by 27 and this by becomes into and this 2 by 81 becomes 81 by 2. Then 2 and 2 are cancelled, 27 3s are 81. So R is equal to 3. An of GP is equal to A R power n minus 1 is the formula. Then that is equal to, in place of A we substitute 2 by 81 and in place of R we substitute 3 power n minus 1. So An of GP is equal to 2 by 81 into 3 power n minus 1. By the problem, the nth term of first GP is equal to the nth term of second GP. Therefore, 162 into 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1 is equal to 2 by 81 into 3 power n minus 1. The previous step was here. So, in the left hand side we have 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1 into, from the right hand side 3 power n minus 1 comes to the left hand side and becomes 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1. That is equal to, we have 2 by 81 in the right hand side and 162 comes to the right hand side and becomes 1 by 162. Now this is a power m into a power n, that is equal to a power m plus n. So 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1 plus n minus 1 is equal to 281's 162 cancel. Now 1 by 81 can be written as 3 power 4 and this 81 is also 3 power 4. Then this becomes 1 by 3 power 8. Now 1 by 3 whole power n plus n is 2n, minus 1, same sign, addition, same sign, minus 2. That is equal to 1 by 3 power 8 becomes 1 by 3 whole power 8. Here is the formula. As the bases are equal, exponents are also equal. So 2n minus 2 is equal to 8. Then 2n is equal to 8 plus 2. This minus 2 comes to the right hand side and becomes plus 2. 2n is equal to 10. N is equal to 10 by 2. Here we have into, it becomes by 2 after coming to the right hand side. 2 5s are 10. Now n is equal to 5. Therefore, n value is 5. Answer.